Now, do these have any meat in them?
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, those are like awesome. Here, let me show you how I would do these, okay? Just follow me with this. So take it like this and just break that piece off right there. Yep. Okay. And then take you just want to, like, this is the best part, actually this is the most incredible, one of the most incredible parts. Break it just carefully, like don't like mush it all up, just break it carefully as you go along. Because what you want, your goal here is to have like, on this piece right here would be like a whole piece of crab if you're like a professional, which I'm not.
Eating crabby.
Yeah, that's my first time eating crab.
Oh yeah.
Does it make you feel crabby?
No.
Do you feel crabby about it?
No. I'm happy about it. Irony,
Crab actually is very relaxing to your system because it puts lots of like salt and phytoplankton and it puts a high level of a certain type of cholesterol in your body that's good for you.